I want to show you this new feature we have. If you're using social media for marketing, of course, it's very hard to manage all the different channels you have, right? So there are other solutions in the market like Social Bee, Buffer. Buffer is one of the most famous ones, where you create a post when one place and then transfer it to all your social media channels so that you don't have to log into Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever social media channels you have, and then post separately in all of them. So this is a solution similar to that. I currently use something called as Missing Letter, which does the same thing. And this solution, I think, is better than any of those out there in the market. So it's called Social Planner. We developed this as part of our software package. You can see here, I myself have 7 connected social networks in here. REI Doc, this is my Facebook group. This is my Facebook business page, Instagram, LinkedIn personal profile, LinkedIn business page, Twitter, and also TikTok. I'm not very active on TikTok, but I just created a profile. So I can, in one go, post stuff in all. I have here 7 of them. Of course, if you have multiple, there is no limit to the number of social networks you can connect here. Depending on how much you have, you can connect all of them here and then post in them at the same time. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say if I want to post a new thing today, I can say create new post. And then the first thing I need to do is select which ones I want to do, right? So I don't have to do all of them. I can select all of them if I want, or I can say I just want to post in Facebook or something else. For example, TikTok, if you're going to put something, there cannot be any words in them. But Facebook, LinkedIn allows a word plus video, word plus photo, those kinds of things. So depending on the post you're going to create, you can select which one you want. So I'm just going to, and also you can actually create groups. So I'm creating a non-video group. Basically, I didn't include TikTok here because if I'm going to include some text, I cannot do that. So I can select this one, and then it's going to show you all the things selected on the right-hand side. And then you can say if you want to upload a photograph, you can upload a file. Say I want to say Happy Doctor's Day, right? So I have this one. And then on the right side, it's going to show you the preview of each of those things. This is Facebook, how it's going to look. And the next one, Instagram, how it's going to look. And then LinkedIn, you can actually check how it's going to look. And then if you want to modify something, you can. And then Twitter, how it's going to look, right? And then you can type whatever you want, Happy Doctor's Day. And then the other neat feature here is hashtags, right? You can actually say you use the same hashtag multiple times, you can save them there so that you don't have to type the hashtags every time. For example, here I have saved the main hashtag. So these are the hashtags I use normally, like REI Doc, doctors, real estate, multifamily syndication, right? So I can apply them straight away, so I don't have to type it. So it's applied in all the social media networks now. So I just going to, so that's it, it's done. And the other neat feature here is some of those social media networks allow follow-up comment, or not all of them. You click on it, you can do follow-up comment here on all of these profiles. And then the neat feature about the follow-up comment is if you have a call to action. For example, you don't want to put in your main message. Say I want to say, hey, download my ebook on passive investing for physicians, right? And then I can put a link in there. So whatever, www.redupcapital.com/ebook. So now if I post this, it's not only may put the main post, but also it puts a comment below that. Most social media networks do not want you to include link in the main body, external link, then they will not promote your post because they don't want people to go outside of your of their social network. So it's always good to put a link in the comment. So this allows us to put the comment as well. So you don't have to log in and comment there. You already commented, so you're completely done. And if I can save for later as a draft, or I can post now, or I can schedule the post like 2 days from now, 1 year from now, whatever time you want, you can schedule it. So conceivably at the beginning of the year, you can put all your holiday post in one go. It's already scheduled. You don't forget Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever it is. You can schedule all of them together in one go. So that you can do. Or if you have a VA, the VA can actually create everything and then send this to you for approval. And you look at it, you make sure everything is okay, and then you approve it. So that's a neat, cool feature. The Doctor's Day has already passed. So I'm not going to put it here. I just wanted to show you an example. Now I'm going to just delete it because I don't need it. And then I'm going to show you the other neat feature here is, of course, you can go down and look at all your previous posts. You can actually duplicate some of them if you want to. Options for like clone. If you say click clone, it'll clone the post and I can put it somewhere else. And then the other neat feature is the planner. So planner is basically a calendar. You can look at what you posted in the past, right? So I did it on Thursday during the Doctor's Day. I posted these things right in one day in all my networks. So it shows you what I actually did. And then also you can go to future date and then say, I want to put something on Wednesday, May 3. You just click on it and then automatically scheduled on that day. You select the date and time. So you can see for the whole year, you can put post in one go, or your VA can enter all the posts, right? So then you don't have to worry about the social media strategy for you because your posts are all done. And if you, in between, you have some ideas, you can add some posts, but you know upfront that your whole year's of post is done. So you don't have to worry about it. And it's more efficient way to do social media. So I wanted to show you guys this thing. I'm really excited about this feature. Let me know what you guys think.